How's it going, everybody? Jerry here. Whole bunch of updates for you. I'm going to start with the big rig group build, the orange Peterbilt. I know I've been putting that off for a while and it looks like it's finished, but it's not. I finally had some time to brainstorm and see what else I wanted to do with it. I know I kept throwing out there that I was going to add a trailer to it at some point. I'm going to turn it into a flatbed. I Googled it one day. I was thinking, I wonder if anybody ever made that thing a flatbed tow truck, and sure enough, I found a whole bunch of them out there. Not exactly a conventional cab like that one is, but a Peterbilt flatbed. So, slowly collecting all the styrene and everything. The whole thing's going to be completely custom built, but I'm not done with it yet. And, yeah, that's going to be a project. Also, I can finally join Smokin' Joe's 311 Nascar group build. I got the Dale Earnhardt Senior kit. I think it was from, I know it's an early 90s era car. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys that. So there it is. This is going to be my entry into Smokin' Joe's 311 NASCAR group build. I had a hard time finding a kit that I wanted to do. I like the square body kits. And with this one, surprisingly, everything is molded in black. The box is kind of beat up. You can give me a second, I'm going to put the camera down. Oh, I'll black you guys out a second. First time opening it, I took the cellophane off the outside, but I never actually opened it and looked through it. So, here we go. Nice little card. Got this from a guy on Facebook through a model car buy-sell trade group. Glass looks to be in pretty good shape. Yep, everything's molded in black. So that actually kind of helps me a little bit because I'm not good at doing like two-tone color schemes and stuff like that. That's why I bought this kit, was to hopefully just have to spray it gloss black, just one color, add the decals, clear coat it, nice and simple. And they saved me the step of painting it. I think I might be able to get away with just throwing the decals on, clear coat it. And yeah, I think clear coating everything will give it that shine. I can see there. It'll give it that shine. And I really won't have to paint anything except for the interior cage, which I believe was red. I think, yeah, the whole interior is red. So that's the only thing I have to actually spray is the roll cage and the inside of the chassis and everything like that. But other than that, they really cut out a lot of work for me. But also, let me get this squared away. Really concerned about damaging that glass because, I mean, the guy that I bought it from, he had like 4 of them, but my luck, something will happen to a piece and then I'll have a hell of a time trying to find that piece that I'm looking for a reasonable price. Just because I know this is a really old kit. Probably, I think that's like a late 80s or early 90s era. I want to say probably like 93, I can't remember. But, so yeah, that's my entry into Smokin' Joe 311's NASCAR group build. Like I said, I'm gonna custom build the Peterbilt to a tow truck, and also Bernie at Godfather Customs, I got your second card. This is the first one you sent me, and that's yours. And I also got Grayson's right up there. Yep, I'm slowly transitioning to my new bench down here. Finally made myself some space, so this is my new little corner. Slowly trying to tighten things up a little bit, consolidate as much as possible. That's my black wash and rusting area. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Like I said, finally got to get a NASCAR kit to join in on that group build. Taking advantage of the big rig group build. I think we got until June 1st, I think it is. So even though I finished the rig, it looks like it's finished. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, so I'm hoping, keep my fingers crossed, that my idea actually works. I still got to pick up some styrene pieces for the frame rails, and it's really about all I'm waiting on for that. So until that happens, basically just focusing on junkers, adding to the scrapyard. As you saw in my last video, slowly adding to the pile. I ordered a couple things to add to it too. They'll be here by the end of the month. And when that comes in and everything gets painted and squared away, that's going to be a pretty good slideshow, I think. So keep your eyes out towards the end of the month. Probably I'd say the beginning of next month. Probably the first or middle of the month, somewhere in that area. But that's all I've got for right now, guys. Thank you for checking my channel out. Everybody who follows me regularly, thank you guys. And I'll see you guys later.